Mr. Scotty. Looks like you got your work cut out for you, sir. Fine, don't respond to me then.
No, because I'm about to show you something if I'm right. I am.
Well, maybe.
You gotta fucking be kidding me.
I'm not fucking or being kidding you. What are we doing? What are you doing, Scotty?
Who did the axle on this side?
I'm pretty sure we know who did it. Why? Because we inspected everything and it looked fine when we inspected it. I think it's been around the block twice since then.
How about it's technically not even bolted in?
Oh, that probably would be about par for the course. Oh, my knees!
Look on that side.
Yes, dear.
Those bolts might be 3 to 4 threads in, and they're on backwards. The bolts don't go from the inside out, they go from the outside in. So, wrong bolts, and it's barely bolted in. One good takeoff, and you would shear the bolts.
No, because it's threaded on this side, Scotty, so
Yeah.
they do go from that side in. They do.
Not according to this side.
Well, this side they do.
Yeah.
But they still need to be longer.
Yeah, like a lot longer.
You see that light? No, they're in about. Look where they're at. They're about halfway.
No, I won't quite go that far, but yeah, I don't
I'll
believe
be generous
those are right.
and say halfway, but yeah, I'd like to see longer bolts than that.
Yeah.
That's easy enough, though. We can deal with
Yeah,
that.
that's not a big deal.
That's not a biggie. Okay, so, Scotty, your mission, if you choose to accept it, well,
I don't.
you don't
have
really have a choice. You're like, damn it. Okay, so all the sway bar stuff's new, so don't worry about that. Which is funny, because it's like, let's replace all this stuff, but let's leave all this stuff completely rotten and deteriorated. Upper ball joints have already been done. And it looks like the lower on this side, I don't know. The lower's
Yeah, it
been
looks
done
like
too.
they're all been done.
Okay, so all the BJs are done, but why would you change these? I know we already discussed this in the inspection, but why would you change these and not change that? That's bad. Bad.
All right, so I'm going to start with shocks and work my way around the car.
Pull the shocks off all the way around.
Yep. I get to pull it off.
Yeah, don't put the new ones on yet, obviously. Because you got to pull the upper and lower control arm.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, pull the shocks all the way around. Pull the front control arms, uppers and lowers, off, out the door, handled. Careful, because it's a torsion bar car, which sucks. The rear lowers, hold on before you take those off, but take the rear sway bar off.
Okay.
And get that. But I should be back by then.
Yeah.
Because this is a rusty mess, so you're gonna have a lot of fun.
This is a nightmare.
You're gonna probably have a cocktail break at some point.
Oh, there's no doubt in my mind. And I still have to teach class tonight.
Oh yeah, because I have teenage athlete of the year right now still.
Yeah, he's doing what, football and baseball?
Football and baseball, flag football and baseball are done.
Okay, good.
Guess what starts tonight?
I have no clue.
Strength conditioning for tackle.
Oh, he's got the stature for it, I think.
We literally had 3 days off from practice. Wow. We had last week was the only week we didn't have practice, and I was like, I'm going home, going to bed.
Yeah, no, I would have too.
And I'm still tired. All right, so you have your work cut out for you, my furry friend, my not so furry friend. Oh, we'll get to that later. All right, so Scotty, you're gonna be shooting lots of video to airdrop me later, and let's do it to it.
Just wow. Just wow.
You do know those like spin down like Batman, right? That's the whole point of that.
Why?
See how it's got a grease fitting?
Right. What's the concept?
It's like to the Batmobile. Your fog lights come out.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah.
Hey, Scotty. Get to work. Please.